Good morning, guys. It's me, Epoxy Princess by Alicia, and I'm here to show you what you can expect when you order Craft Resin. This is a 2-gallon kit of the 1-to-1 ratio crystal clear low viscosity, I hope I said that right, resin. It does come with 2 pumpers, one for each part A, part B, for easy dispensing of your resin. You can leave those pumpers in at all times. It will not dry up or harden in the pumpers. I'm also going to show you that it does come with 2 stir sticks, a white plastic one and a blue silicone one. In every box you will get the stir sticks. Oh, and it does come with a pack of gloves, which I left in the box. This is also the 30-pack of mica powders. They have many colors to choose from. So let's see. There's even some glow-in-the-dark ones in here. Oh, and a little spoon for easy to pull out. Thank you card, 10% discount card. So there's many colors. What is that? Magenta, yellow, black. I can't see the colors, but yeah, there's many different colors to choose from. There's glow in the dark, all different colors. So this is just a little show and tell time of what you can expect when you order Craft Resin or their mica powders. Craft Resin is my favorite resin. I am a brand ambassador. I will link my code below with the link to 3 different providers, the UK, England, and the United States. With my code. My code is already attached, so when you go to checkout, you will see my discount code already there applied for you for easy access. So basically, yeah, this is all I pretty much wanted to show you, all the beautiful colors, what you can expect when you order a box of Craft Resin, whether the size or anything. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get a feel of what you can expect when you order Craft Resin and how amazing the product is. I will back it up 100%. Make sure you follow along, like, share, follow on all the medias, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.